Alright, this is a gross looking one. We're taking a look at Virulence. It's an infectious card game for 2 to 5 players. Takes about 20 minutes, ages 8 and up, and it's actually kind of fun. I've got another one similar to this one called Virus, and that's different play style, but also very fun and competitive. This game reminds me a lot of Donuts for Donuts, but just built a little bit different. So in this game, every player is going to start out with a hand of virus cards and this is a recombination card is what it's called. Let me double check that. Reassortment card, sorry, that's what this is for. So on the start of the round, all players will choose one of these 6 cards to play face down, and then you'll simultaneously flip them, and whoever played the highest card is going to go first. So basically you'll lay these out from the main deck to mirror the number of players. I just put these extra ones out to kind of show you guys what's in there. These are bonus cards. Once you complete a full set of these cards, you'll gain this bonus and then flip a new one. Once you complete a full set of these cards, you'll gain that bonus and flip a new one as well. And these will stay one face up, the rest face down the whole game. Now, these are also wilds that can be used between either of the 2 full sets you have to create, or complete, should I say, and they will be that permanently. They only count as one of those cards. So, you play a card face down, that card is done. So all subsequent rounds, these are all the cards you'll have left, and every time you do a round and play a card, you'll lose more and more cards, so play them wisely. If you decide that you want to get those cards back, you can play this one at any point. You'll skip the selection process and you'll pick up all these cards and put them back in your hand. Now, what you'll do, like I said, you'll play one of these cards, say you played the highest, you'll then get first dibs on whatever's out here. Vaccines give you negative points. The increased virulence cards will actually add to your dice rolls. So if in the event of a tie of you both playing a 6, you then roll 2 dice and whoever gets the highest roll wins. But then this would add to that dice roll, which means you're pretty much guaranteed to win. These cards here will strengthen your hand, and they will go in your hand when you select them, and they'll give you extra cards to play on your turn and also higher numbers than all other players. So you're guaranteed to go first with this, unless you get the 9 and then you're not. These add you points on a singular basis. These are points in a set, so however many of them you get is how many points you would get. So I think the max is 6 of these will get you 21 points. If you have the most of these, you will get 12. The second most, you get 6. If you have the least, you get negative 6, so be careful getting them. And then these will give you points based on the 4, and you can't start a new set until you complete the old set or the original set of those. But the goal is to have the most points at the end of the game by using these cards to play to get them. So you play the highest number, you pick first, pick the best cards, use this to redraw these cards and put them back in your hand and start over. Any turn you play this, you do not get to choose from there. Or if this is the last card you have, you automatically just have to pull these back in your hand. And that's how the game works.